In this exciting learning adventure, kids get to discover how farm animals and zoo animals live, work, and help the world in their own special ways. This video introduces each animal in a simple, fun style that keeps young learners engaged. Elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, with African elephants being the biggest species, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants like grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. They can eat up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, of food in one day. Elephants have a strong sense of smell and can detect water from miles away. A bull is an adult male cattle, Bos taurus, typically not castrated, and known for its muscular build and aggressive behavior compared to cows and steers. Bulls are very strong, with a large muscular body, thick neck, and often a hump on their shoulders. Most bulls have horns, though this depends on the breed. Some are naturally polled, hornless. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. A. Goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years, one of the first animals ever farmed. Antelopes are fast and graceful animals that can run up to 100 kilometers per hour, 60 miles per hour, helping them escape from predators. They live mostly in Africa and Asia, where they roam open grasslands and plains. There are over 90 different species of antelopes, such as gazelles, impalas, and kudus. One of their most special features is their curved or twisted horns. Cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world. It can run up to 113 kilometers per h, 70 miles per hour, for short distances. Cheetah has black tear marks under its eyes that help reduce the sun's glare and focus better while hunting. Cheetah is a gentle and shy big cat, and sadly, it is an endangered species, meaning it needs our help to survive. Reindeer is one of the only deer species where both males and females grow antlers. Reindeer is well adapted to cold weather, with thick fur and a special nose that warms cold air. Reindeer is a strong migrant, traveling up to 5,000 kilometers a year, one of the longest migrations of any land animal. Reindeer is walking on wide, sharp-edged hooves that act like snowshoes and help dig for food. Giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, with some reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes have spots on their bodies, and no two giraffes have the same pattern. Their spots are like fingerprints. Giraffes have a blue-black tongue that is about 18 inches, 45 centimeters long, which helps them reach high leaves without getting sunburned. Sheep have thick wool that keeps them warm in cold weather. People use the wool to make things like sweaters, blankets, and scarves. Sheep have excellent vision. They can see almost 360 degrees around them, which helps them spot predators like wolves or dogs. Sheep have very good memories and can remember a specific person or animal for a long time. They even recognize faces. Horses have been one of the most important helpers on farms for hundreds of years. Before modern machines, farmers used horses to pull plows, wagons, and heavy carts. They are strong, fast, and can work for many hours without getting tired quickly. Horses also help by carrying people across large farm areas. They eat grass, hay, and sometimes oats to keep their energy high. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. Some tigers can grow over 10 feet long and weigh more than 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes, and no two tigers have the same pattern. Their stripes are like fingerprints. Tigers are quiet and patient. They sneak up on their prey and pounce at the perfect moment. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles away. Cows give us milk, which is used to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. A single cow can give up to 25-30 liters of milk a day. Cows are gentle animals with big bodies, soft eyes, and a calm nature. They love relaxing and grazing in the fields. Cows are intelligent and social animals. They have best friends in the herd and get sad when separated. Cows moo to talk to each other. They have different sounds for calling their calves, showing hunger, or saying hello. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Deer communicate with each other through body language, sounds, and even scent marking. They can make a variety of noises, including grunts and bleats. Deer are usually active at dawn and dusk, known as being crepuscular. That's when they are out looking for food. Deer have hooves that help them run quickly and silently, which helps them avoid predators. Thank you for joining this fun learning adventure with farm animals and zoo animals. If you enjoyed discovering who does what, make sure to watch more exciting learning videos on our channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep exploring with us. See you in the next learning adventure. Bye for now.